At the lowest wind speeds during starting wind, the windmills give such a low effect that is not even enough for the plant's own consumption in various auxiliary systems. Normal values for starting wind are 4 to 5 meters per second. A plant thus gives no production at all below this wind speed. The wind is very strong at sea level, but that doesn't help. With some luck, the windmills may deliver electricity for 3 out of 9 days. With subsidies and energy taxes, it is possible to make wind power profitable.